हेलो बच्चों, जैसे कि हमने स्टार्ट कर लिया सीरीज ऑफ एमसीक्यू, उसमें आज देखते हैं लेक्चर नंबर 6। सो व्हाट इज दैट फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू इन दैट 6th लेक्चर? द रेडियस ऑफ Na plus ion is 95 picometer and that of the Cl minus ion is 181 picometer. The coordination number of Na plus will be, means here they have given the radius of cation and radius of anion, and just we have to find out the coordination number. Now how to find out? As we know that radius of cation to the radius of anion, based on that ratio we know the values are also there. So based on that, firstly we will calculate Na plus divided by Cl minus, means radius of the cation to the radius of anion, that ratio what will be. So here that radius of cation is 95 picometer and radius of anion is 181 picometer, and its answer if we calculate, then its answer is 0.52. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिल गया इसका रेशो. Now how that ratio is useful to find out that coordination number? As we know that radius means, here if we consider, here we will write triangular. If we consider any one is that a triangular, its coordination number is 3. If tetrahedral geometry, then coordination number is 4. Octahedral it is 6, and if cubic then it is 8. तो यहाँ पे हमें find out करना है what is the structure of this one. Now how will we get? That is the based on the ratio of cation to the ratio to the anion. Now first one, for the triangular, that value is 0.155. For that tetrahedral, value is 0.225. For octahedral, that r plus divided by r minus, that value is 0.414, and for the cubic, that answer is 0.732. If we consider that value, that 0.52, that value is in the range of octahedral to the cubic, means if we consider its coordination number, its geometry will be octahedral and its coordination number will be 6. So here we have completed our first MCQ, because these are the values, but if we consider the range, then this range will be 0.155 to 0.225. Next one, for second one, 0.225 to 0.414. For this third one, 0.414 to 0.732, and for last one, that range is 0.732 to 1. So whatever values we are getting, if that is in that range, then we have to consider that structure and that coordination number only. So 0.52, that comes under this range, so its geometry is octahedral and its coordination number is 6. Hope so I have cleared that question to you. So next MCQ is, see there is a one numerical. Lithium metal has body center cubic structure, means lithium which comes under that BCC structure. For that BCC, Z is equal to 2. ठीक है, from that first line we got that data. Its density is 0.53 gram per centimeter cube. So here we are getting the value of density, and it is 0.53 gram per centimeter cube, and its molar mass is 6.94. Molar mass, which is denoted by symbol capital M, and it is 6.94. Next one, calculate the age length of the unit cell. What we have to find out? We have to find out the age length, and that symbol is A. Now what is the formula and how to find out it? For that purpose, we have to use the formula, that is the rho is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. As we know that Na is the Avogadro's number. So what we have to find out? Here we have to find out the age length. Means firstly we have to calculate A cube, that is nothing but the total volume. So what will be that formula? A cube is equal to Z into M divided by rho into Na. So simply we will put all these details. So 2 into molar mass is 6.94 divided by rho density is 0.53 into Avogadro's number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Now what will be the calculation? After that we can say that its answer will be 4.348 into 10 raised to minus 23. This is the value of the A cube. But here they asked about the edge length, means here we have to take the cube root of this value. Now how to take that cube root? For that purpose we can use the logarithm method also. And what will be that answer? That also I will tell you. See, whenever we want to use the log method, because up to that you can solve it, but after that how to use the log table, that I will give idea. So now see here, A cube. Firstly, we are going to shift one decimal to the right hand side. So it will be 43.48 into one decimal is shifted to the right hand side. So its power will be decreased by 1, and that's why its power will be 10 raised to minus 24. Now see, A is equal to under cube root 43.48 into 10 raised to minus 24. आगे जाके क्या करना है देखो, √3 is there, so we have to take here 1/3 into 43.48. Now what is the 10 raised to minus 24 का क्यूब रूट क्या आ जाएगा? वो आ जाएगा 10 raised to minus 8. Simply now we have to take its log value. What we have to take? Its log value, and that will be 1/3 into 43 is there. What will be the characteristic? Characteristic will be 1, and it's 43 का हमें देखना है 4 के कॉलम में एंड 8 के कॉलम में, मतलब 43 का रो रहेगा, 4 का कॉलम और मीन डिफरेंस में रहेगा 8 का दूसरा कॉलम. तो ऐसे करके हमें लॉग वैल्यू ही देखनी है, एंड इट्स लॉग वैल्यू इज 6382 into 10 raised to minus 8 will be as it is. Now simply we have to divide this value by 3, and its answer will be 0.5460. Like that its answer will be there. And here final step is we have to take its anti-log. So anti-log के लिए 0.5460 into 10 raised to minus 8. So what will be that anti-log? 0 is there, so it will be 10 raised to 0 into 10 raised to minus 8 will be as it is. तो अभी anti-log किसका देखना है? 54 के रो में 6 के कॉलम में, एंड इट्स आंसर इज 3516. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है एंटी-लॉग देखने के बाद फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद आ जाएगा अपना डेसिमल. तो ऐसे करके देखो, फाइनली A is equal to 3.516 into 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to minus 8, means finally 10 raised to minus 8 will be there. If we want to convert into the picometer, this just we are shifting that decimal. So what will be that? 351.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. This is the answer in the centimeter. Now it will be, if 351.6 is there, then it will be in the picometer. So just we are going to check our options. So see, here first one is a 153, 527, and third one is the 351, and our answer is correct one. So hope so here you have cleared that how to take the cube root of the any value by using the log tables. Now we'll discuss the next MCQ. That next MCQ is in a BCC unit cell, if half of the atoms per unit cell are removed, the percentage void is. तो इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, जस्ट विल डिस्कस नाउ. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो क्या बोला है, BCC. एज वी नो दैट इन दैट BCC, whenever we want to calculate, if we draw firstly that cube, then in that BCC atoms are present at the corners as well as one atom is present at the center. So in this way, number of atoms present in that BCC unit cell, we can say that 1/8 into 8 plus 1, that is nothing but the 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Means total 2 number of atoms are there. What is that question? Question is if half of the atoms per unit cell are removed. यहाँ पे और एक मेथड है, कौन सी देखो, अगर 2 एटम्स है तो पैकिंग इफिशिएंसी कितनी है, 68. तो फिर अगर 1 एटम होगा तो व्हाट विल बी दैट पैकिंग इफिशिएंसी। तो ऐसे करके x इज इक्वल टू 68 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो 34% विल बी दी पैकिंग इफिशिएंसी. It is 34%, and if we consider the percentage void, that will be 100 minus 34, and its answer will be 66%. So here only we are getting that answer is 66%. But how to calculate in a proper way, that I will tell you in the detail. So this is the shortcut we can say. Now see, here this is the true value according to this BCC unit cell. Now see, as we know that percentage packing efficiency calculation purpose, there is a one formula. What is that formula? Number of atoms into volume occupied by atom. Percentage is there, so 100 divided by total volume of यूनिट सेल, और वी कैन से दैट स्फीयर. सो यहाँ पे देखो, उसके बाद यहाँ पे Z, BCC, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स आर 2, बट दे हैव डिस्कस्ड इन दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली हाफ ऑफ द atoms are removed. So for that one, instead of that 2, we have to consider for BCC Z is equal to 1. So here first one we have completed. Now what about the volume occupied by atom? For that purpose we have to consider the formula. That formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the r formula. In that radius is there. What is the formula for the radius of BCC? For the radius of the BCC, formula is r is equal to root 3 by 4a. So this formula we have to put in this formula. So what will be the answer? C. Volume occupied is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube means root 3 by 4 a इसका रहेगा क्यूब. तो यहाँ पे 4 by 3 pi root 3 का अगर हम क्यूब लेते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? देखो 3 root 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 का क्यूब आ जाएगा 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64 into a क्यूब. तो यहाँ पे 4 से अगर डिवाइड करें तो यहाँ पे 16, 3 will get cancel, and here volume occupied is equal to pi into root 3 into a cube divided by 16. तो यहाँ पे what is the value of pi? It is 3.14. What is the value of root 3? That is 1.732. a cube divided by 16. ठीक है, ये कंप्लीट हो गया अपना. नेक्स्ट वन, टोटल वॉल्यूम. फॉर दैट टोटल वॉल्यूम वी हैव टू टेक टोटल वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू a cube. Now volume occupied is with us, total volume is with us, as well as we have considered Z. Simply we have to put all this value in that formula. So see, percentage packing efficiency is equal to Z is equal to 1 into volume occupied by atom, that is 3.14 into 1.732 into a cube. That 100 will be as it is. That divided part will come down, and that is the 16 into a cube. So what will happen? A cube will get cancelled, and here 314 into 1.732 divided by 16. After this calculation, we will get the packing efficiency, and that answer is 33.99. That is nothing but the 34%. Here you will say that yes ma'am, option C is there, but no, they asked about the percentage void. So it will be calculated by subtracting from the 100, and in this way our answer will be 66%. So here in a shortcut way as well as by detail by using formula, we are getting the same answer, that is the 66%. So here we have completed that MCQ. Now last one, number of octahedral sites per sphere in FCC structure is. So how to find out that? Now see, As we know that number of atoms, one relation always we have to keep in mind that what is that? Number of atoms is equal to number of octahedral voids is equal to twice of the number of atoms. What is that present? That is the tetrahedral voids. So this relation is very important for many MCQs. Here they have given about the FCC. As we know that FCC, number of atoms present are 4. What about the octahedral sites? तो यहाँ पे number of atoms, according to this relation, number of atoms are 4. Octahedral voids will be 4, as well as tetrahedral voids will be 8. So here they asked about the octahedral sites, so answer will be 4, and that is the option B. So in this way, hope so I have cleared each and every concept and MCQ also. ऐसे ही steps तो हमने शायद, मुझे तो लगता है कि हमने level of difficulty we have increased. अगर आपको भी वैसे लगता है तो just write in a comment box. Thank you all of you.